Hey y'all, I'm Paul Ross with Douglas Manufacturing here at AGG1 2022 in Nashville, and we're featuring the Interceptor self-cleaning permanent magnetic separator. The Interceptor is designed for portable plants. It's compact, lightweight, and powerful. It can come configured with a hydraulic or an electric drive, and it features our standard slide tube take-ups and standard power transmission components in inch increments, so it makes it easy to service in the field when it's needed. So here's a better view of the slide tube take-up and the standard pillow block bearing that's used in the take-up adjustment to keep the belt tight. All of our pulleys are machined and they're lagged to help keep the belt running true and keep it secure on the apparatus to allow the material to be removed and discharged away from your conveyed material. We have a vulcanized belt on here that allows the metal to move up and move away from the conveyed material with a 12-inch field strength. Benefits are the super high strength of the permanent magnet. It's been a product that we've developed over the past 2 years to improve the performance, reduce the weight so we can put it on portable plants, and then also reduce the configuration so it doesn't take up as much space. We're featuring the Vortex Spiral Clean Pulley. The Vortex is an innovative concept in self-cleaning pulley design, and what it does is it augers material out and away from the belt, discharges it down and away from the conveyor system. It smooths out the operation of the belt by reducing vibration and eliminates noise. So your noise, the decibel level is very similar to that which you get with a standard drum pulley. The Vortex features AR400 contact bar that supports the load of the belt in the center and the edge sections, so it wears very efficiently and does a great job lasting a long time in the conveyor application and solving a variety of problems. We're also happy to feature for the first time the Premier Duty pulley, which is an integral end disc pulley where we've removed the weld from the end disc and the hub, and we mount the bushing directly in the pulley. Now, Douglas has made pulleys like this for over 40 years, but the Premier Duty line is a standard component that's designed to enhance our pulley product line. We also feature replaceable rim lagging, which not only recoats the pulley face, but also rebuilds it with a solid steel insert underneath here. It's easy to change out in the field, and it requires about 40% less labor than other replaceable lagging systems. We're also featuring the Titan Series impact bed, which is designed to replace the idlers at the critical transfer point. It features a rubber and UHMW combination, so the UHMW is super slick with a low coefficient of friction. The rubber is designed to absorb impact, just like a shock absorber. And we have an anodized aluminum insert, which helps to make the replacement of the bar easier because it will not corrode and seize in the application. So Douglas manufactures pulleys, idlers, impact beds, take-ups, and magnetic separators for all types of applications, all types of industries, and all types of requirements. We have custom and standard products that are designed to meet your needs.